We're going to Orlando for a hair show.
He thinks he's going to jail.
You wanna go get a beer?
Panetta's gonna get punched out.
I don't really know what to say, really. What are we doing? I don't know. We're going to Orlando.
I gotta go home.
Bag? You got 4 bags!
I told you that.
We got $700 in luggage cost over here.
It's free. Why not?
Going to Naples.
No, you're going to Florida.
We're going to Florida.
Where? No, we're going to Orlando for a hair show.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you...
My arm is stuck in there.
They're about to. Where did my brother go?
Put on his winter layers.
Oh, he left the...
I was gonna walk out this morning with that coat on and just be like, hey guys, I'm ready to go.
Everybody recognizes me right now all the time. I'm Frank.
Where's the line of people who want to meet me?
I'm not being your stride. It's like everybody's recognizing me right now.
Who, me?
Every time you walk, it looks like you're on a runway.
Stride.
Me? Actually?
The model.
It's a stride.
Just touched down in Orlando. Premiere, here we come.
You ordered the wrong car. You ordered the wrong car.
I can't get a bigger car than this.
You got bigger. You should have a bus.
What do you think this is? Essentially a bus.
It's not big enough.
Let's go! Panetta's waiting in the car! Idiot. Panetta's not even here yet. He's not ready. But that guy's always late.
The last time Sarah had a tequila shot here, she blew up.
I took it on an empty stomach and I was up after.
All right, bud. Let's go get a beer, eh? You don't say that often.
Cheers, eh?
Every time a camera's on French's face, he'll make this face. Look out.
What's up?
I knew it.
Never seen.
What?
It's in Matt's bag here at Framar.
We got one. We got one.
Yeah, shout out Matt Panetta Real Estate.
So, hand those out.
Diva.
That's not mine.
Yes, it is. That one's gonna stay quiet. That's gonna stay quiet.
Night 1, feeling good. Ready to watch Dan make breakfast tomorrow morning after he loses that bet.
I think you're gonna wake up before me. Hunson, you don't have a prayer.
I talk in the group chat at 5:30 in the morning.
They're built different. They wake up early.
I just bit my knee.
You up here? What time is it right now?
7:21.
Time to be at the show.
8:30.
Where the Gio?
He's sleeping on a job.
I woke up before him. Gio, if you're watching this, pee better. All the boys are sleeping. Who's the rookie now? Make my breakfast.
No. Who's making me breakfast?
Who's making breakfast?
Yeah, my brother. Oh, you were up?
Yeah.
No way.
Happened.
Listen,
I've been up for a while. Me. Arrived, setup day, the biggest ball bus day. We're here. Let's see what kind of mayhem we got.
I don't think it is, Dave.
9:40 a.m. We already got problems. Problems on problems on problems. You gotta be solution guy. You gotta be a solution person. Like Panetta, he's just complaining over there.
What now? Like what now?
Gio can do it. It's not that heavy.
Everybody says I don't do work, but basically I just come to the shows only to work. So when I'm in the office, why would I work? Like 1 + 1 is 2 in that scenario, in my opinion.
This guy doesn't even know what work is.
Attaboy, Panetta!
Right? Like what doesn't look good on me? Faster!
How many damage boxes are there gonna be?
Time.
We're wrapping up nicely, as you can see. Done this whole wall myself. 0 credit given. Just here. Framar servant.
You work?
I am working.
He's referencing this to the wall. And absolutely nothing.
Look at my
Color cover!
He built a wall of pop-ups. He thinks he saved the world.
I don't know what Panetta's doing, but me and French are carrying the squad right now, big time.
Can we go? Can we go? Ask Gio.
We're all done now. And as you can see behind us, We're just making sure that we put up the security blankets. I don't know what kind of security they're doing, but hey, peace of mind. We're going to get the car.
See if we can set Panetta off.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who?
Rocco's Tacos, the first thing you do is you get Gluck.
I'm not a raw onion guy. I don't know what you want from me.
He doesn't want onions. He complained like a little.
Who does he think he is?
What's your opinion on Panetta?
I love Panetta.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen him flustered before?
Yeah, all the time. He makes him flustered. Yeah, he's easy to fluster.
Get out of my face.
I love guac with no onions.
Go ahead.
Go get the car. Pull the car around. Pull the car around.
Let's go!
It's 9:03, and it's starting.
It's starting. Yeah.
Hard, 90-degree angle.
Your booth?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta fix this, man.
Go see that guy right there.
He thinks he's going to jail.
I'm gonna go help Dave stock.
Right here is the best booth here. Get some foils for a discount. Don't play. Come to the Framar, okay?
We're not even close to being done yet. 10 after 2. French is barking orders. Already getting agitated. Look at the sweat. You see the sweat under my eyes? Same kind of sweat as him.
Oh, are you talking to me? Still alive? Is this only day one?
Hey, they're from St. Augustine.
Yep, St. Augustine, Florida. We work at Panache.
Favorite Framar product that you can't live without?
Foils. Yeah. Oh, no, actually, they're gator clips.
Gator clips.
Yeah.
What's your favorite print that we've done?
Oh, I like the Eternal.
Ethereal?
Yeah, Ethereal,
The
yeah.
unicorn one?
Whoopsie daisy.
Oopsie daisy.
I don't have a favorite. I like them all. I like to switch it up.
That's fucked up.
I'm so sorry.
Coming out of Aperol Spritz foil soon. We're coming out with one. What's one that we should make?
Ocean themed.
Okay.
Sharks.
All right, we're getting somewhere.
Sharks. I love sharks.
Sharks, I don't know about that, but
Sharks are awesome.
you lost me at sharks.
Seashells. You forgot Sally.
Who's Sally?
The girl who's selling the seashells.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
Oh!
Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
Nailed it. Nailed it.
I'm well. My name's Matt. What's yours? Ashley. Perfect. So what do we have here?
A shit.
Look at that catch. What's your favorite? What are we thinking here? The hot takes? Why? The hottest drop?
They're so cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I love that. Perfect. I apologize if the line is too long, but you know what? We're working with it. We're working with it. Yo.
Anna Montana's here.
Oh, fucking great, bro. I need some foils.
I made that. I love the fire.
It's going well. Getting tired big time. This guy's bothering me because he keeps hitting me, but it's going good. Oxboy's happy. He's always happy.
Zach, this is my guy.
What's going on now?
Last year, he's the man. This year, he let us drown a little bit.
Yeah. Hey, I ain't let him down. I was working other booths. That's all that was.
What am I gonna do with mine, bro? What am I gonna do?
Hey, what we gonna do? That's all it is.
Good?
Yeah, everything.
Go ahead. You're gonna do it. Do it right.
He told us he's a sub.
Yeah. Oh my God.
I get exposed. Like, okay, I'll admit it. Whatever. It is what it is.
It's all fun and games.
It's all fun and games until it's not. Honestly, I think it was a smash. I'm just gonna go for dinner. Hopefully we can get something in this. I know I need a drink. The main thing is we're gonna get together as a group. We're gonna really talk about what happened today, and I think that we just need to really enjoy each other's company because it was a show, and we're looking forward to tomorrow. Fred! These guys are fucking brutal. What are you doing? Let's go!
Lost my voice. I just squealed. Hey! Let's go!
It is 10 after 8. Our reservation is in 5 minutes, and it's probably 15 minutes to get to the restaurant, so we are officially on French time for our reservation.
I said yes, I do.
He's so happy.
You get one, and you get one.
Ever actually like fought?
Like fist fight?
Like actually like
No, like just like boy fight.
We got into a heated argument on Thursday. Regardless, we both walked out into the front, but there's a security camera, so there's no audio. But you see us yelling at each other. So I'm like this, and he's like.
Film right after, and Dan's like, go upstairs. He needs to cool down.
And then we sit down.
How did I start the
We
podcast?
sit down, and he goes, "All right, guys, let's hear 2 nice things about each other right now. Go ahead." I led with like, "I love your work ethic," and like, I look up to you like that. And he's like, "Yeah, I love how you handle your aggression. You're a loser." Like, how about that? Like.
This guy's taking it on me. He's driving me crazy. He took my phone. Stacy stole my phone and gave it to him. Take my phone at ransom.
My phone, you lie to me. We're on the streets. Don't lie to me. I know where you're coming. Don't lie to me.
Man, oh, I'm so stressed.
Come on, let's get the
Where's
fuck
the
out
phone?
of here.
I love it.
It's connected! Well, I don't really know what to say, really. There's packed for the ride home. We're parking. Today we're gonna sell the rest of our product, and gonna head home. It's gonna be a great day.
I got a surprise for you. I don't think you're ready for it. I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes.
Do you know if they made this in adult sizes? Because I want one.
See my brother at the Ulta booth. This guy's mad.
Running? Where are we running? Where's the fire?
He's doing a good job.
He's doing good. He's doing good.
Pretty good.
He's doing good.
Pretty good. Yeah.
That podcast, 3 people on it, we're all Canadian.
I think you did a great job,
You
honestly.
missed one of the questions, I rambled. And then I was like, yeah, I'm rambling.
But that's the funny part, when you catch yourself and then you call yourself out and you're like, all right, let's move on. Like, we need to move on.
Boxboy Day 2. It's Day 2 at Premier Orlando. It's moving. It's going. It's getting busy now. We're about to get hit hard. We got lines going everywhere, so I'm just opening boxes and stocking. Senior box boy. He's the one who taught me the ropes.
Getting after it, not hungover at all.
I'm okay.
We're just scraping by, man. We're just scraping the bottom of the barrel today.
Day's getting better because I know I'm going to be sleeping soon.
I want a Powerade. Let's go get a Powerade. Let's go get a drink. Premiere's done. Right into the car. Clearly, I have no voice left. It just tells you what kind of a weekend this is. All in all, I think it was a good time. And ready for next year, baby.